Nice one, guys. I'm back in the kitchen with another one with Chef Ricardo, guys. Anyway, garlic and honey. We all know that garlic and honey is an amazing recipe and an amazing, it's like a medicine. It's beautiful, fantastic, but I just want to simply share with you guys. I want you to try this at home. Garlic and honey before you go to your bed and see what happened to your body when you wake up in the morning. Give it a try, give it a go. I love you all. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipe will be coming. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So basically this is a recipe which I'm always sharing this recipe. This is gonna probably be my third or fourth video I did it on this one. Garlic and honey. But I want to simply say to you tonight, we all know that garlic and honey do works. A lot of people eat it when they have cold and flu. But garlic and honey do more job more than even does cold and flu. And you know what I mean, go down deep inside of your immune system and all these things. But what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you. I just mixed up some garlic and honey right here, and honestly it's fantastic and amazing. I would encourage you guys to give this one a try at home. Garlic and honey. It is an amazing recipe. You know what I mean? We come see our grandparents, granddad, grandfather, everyone using it for many years. Back in ancient days, 200,000 years ago, they used to use garlic and honey for healing of the body. But garlic and honey is more than that, guys. If you go deep down into history, it is more than that. But tonight, I'm going to make you one more tips and ideas of garlic and honey, what you can do at home. Eat it before you go to bed, and this is what can happen to your body. All right? You might say, what's going to happen to my body if I eat garlic and honey? We all know that garlic and honey is like a healing. It's like a medicine for your body. And we all know that, guys. All right? Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to just get my garlic press. If you want to get one of these garlic press, you need to go to Chef Ricardo website.co.uk and you can get yourself a garlic press. All right? And not only that, it's on a 50% off at the moment. So, get yourself a garlic press. So, we're going to squeeze out 2 cloves of garlic right here, and this is the first one which I'm going to squeeze out right now. I like to use the garlic press because what happened, it come out really fine and nice, so you don't have any chunky coming out into your mouth. It's just going to be like really fine. So I'm going to put in the next one and I'm going to squeeze it out also. All right, you see that? Then that's what you want to see right here. That is lovely. Right, nice one. Then you can go and just wash your garlic press now. All right, so it's beautiful, lovely, and trust me guys, if you ever just get one of these garlic press at home, you will see the result you get from it. All right, yeah, look at that, beautiful. I love it. Nice one. So right there, that's the garlic right here, and that is lovely. All right, then what we're going to do next is simple. Get a teaspoon of the best honey to use is organic honey. All right, just put a little bit more. That's the best honey to use, is organic honey. All right guys, so if you go to the shop, grab yourself some organic honey. Do not do any mistake with this organic honey. All right, it is lovely and delicious. All right, and I would encourage you guys to give this one a try. So basically what you want to do, if you want to eat garlic and honey for at least 4 or 5 nights before you go to your bed, you can see a perfect result from it. All right, here it is, garlic and honey. All right guys, beautiful, fantastic, and amazing, and I will encourage you guys to try this one at home. All right, give it a try, give it a go, and you will see the result. All right, please enjoy it, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.